Hi, this is Handy TF. In this video, we are going to replace cartridge in this 3M Aqua-Pure SST series stainless steel whole house water filter. I highly recommend this stainless steel unit. Obviously it is indestructible compared to the plastic one. Plastic will break eventually and flood the house. Before you shut off the water, you want to collect some clean water to wash the water filter housing later. Then shut off the inlet and outlet valves to eliminate system pressure. Or shut off the main water valve if you don't have separate shut off to the water filter. My setup looks a bit complicated here, because it is in a tight space. The common installation is to have a bypass section with 3 shut-off valves. Normally, the valve on the bypass section is shut off, so the water goes through the filter. But in case something wrong with the water filter, you can shut off the 2 valves on both ends of the filter, and let the water go through the bypass section, so that you will not be out of water while repairing the filter. Place a bucket directly under filter housing to collect water. Insert wrench into hole in the ring nut, and rotate ring to the left to loosen the nut. Hi, please hit the like and the subscribe buttons below. This will encourage me to make more free videos to help more people. Remove the housing and then the used cartridge. Clean the housing. Remove O-rings and wipe clean of any lubricant. Inspect for damage and set aside. If O-ring is damaged, discard and replace. Lubricate new or cleaned O-ring with the food-grade silicone grease and place into the O-ring groove. Make sure the O-ring is seated level and evenly in the groove. Remove protective packaging from cartridge, place into the housing, fitting it over the post in the bottom of the housing. Bring the ring nut over the housing, and hand tighten to the head, and then slightly tighten the nut with the wrench. Turn on the water, and check for leaks. Flush system for several minutes before use. Please like and subscribe. Thank you for your time, Handy TF.